Hello class, in this video I'll be showing you how to find the average rate of change of a function between 2 points and how to find the equation of the secant line that contains those 2 points. Let's begin. Okay, so the function we're working with is the square root of the quantity 1 minus 2x. And I want to find the average rate of change of that function between the points of x is equal to -4 and x is equal to 0. Okay, so I'm going to start by applying the average rate of change formula. And that is going to be, in this case, g. So g of b minus g of a divided by b minus a. Now again, it doesn't matter which number you label b or which number you label a. I just like to go in order here, a and b. So this will be g of 0 minus g of -4, all divided by 0 minus -4. Okay, so again, you can evaluate this function in Decimus, but you have to at least set up the problem to get credit. And the first one's not that bad. It's going to be 1, because the square root of 1 minus 0 is just the square root of 1, and the square root of 1 is 1. The next one's going to be 3, but I'm going to show you how to do this in Decimus anyway. So I already have the function typed in. I type in f of 0, which is 1, and then f of -4, which is 3. Okay, so the average rate of change is 1 minus 3 divided by 0 plus 4, which is -2 divided by 4, which is -1/2. Okay, now on to the equation of the secant line. Okay, so the slope of the secant line is the average rate of change. And that's equal to -1/2. Next, we need a point. And in this case, I'm going to use the point 0, 1. So here's the point 0 and 1. And I'm using that because there's a 0 and I like working with zeros. They're actually pretty easy to work with. So 0, 1. So that's going to be x1, y1. So we have y minus 1 is equal to -1/2 x minus 0. So I'm going to distribute the -1/2. I'm going to add 1 to both sides of the equation. So it looks like the equation of the secant line is y is equal to -1/2 x plus 1. But before I box that, let's just go into Decimus, graph the secant line, and see if it does indeed pass through the 2 given points. So we have y is equal to -1/2 x plus 1. So if we tap the intersection, we have -4, 3, which is great, and 0, 1, which is great. So we have the correct secant line. So I'm going to box this, and we are done.